Hello everybody, this is Brian back with a Polygon slash MATIC token update. This is on the daily chart on the screen. We are up 2.91% as I do this video. We had a high today of $1.2218 and right now we are at $1.2076. You can see this clear uptrend that we have going here. Higher highs and higher lows. Things are looking beautiful. Gonna dig into this deeper. I got a couple of really exciting articles I want to show you. Price predictions for 2030, 2025 to 2030. And this was just put out today, this article. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. We'd love to have you here every day. Gonna do that 100 ADA giveaway here pretty soon, last day of the month. All you got to do to enter is be subscribed to the channel, and you'll be in the group with a lot of great people. Got a lot of good people in here, positive, upbeat people. That's the type of community I want to be a part of, that's for sure. So let's look into this Polygon article here. It says price prediction for 2025 to 2030. MATIC can surprise traders if. This is a pretty long article. If you want to go read the whole thing, it's on AMB Crypto. You can see it on there. It was just put out today, 3 hours ago. In fact, as I'm doing this video, it goes over what Polygon is, and you go down through it here, the whole article. It's a long article. Did a really good job writing this thing. I'm going to get down to the price predictions down here at the bottom, but you can see down here, it's a pretty in-depth article. Whale movement, does a really nice job writing this thing. But right up here, the liquid supply curve, breakdown of the current supply. Really in-depth article. Great article. But here are the price predictions. MATIC price prediction for 2025. After analyzing the altcoins price action, crypto experts at Changelly, they do a lot of price predictions at Changelly, concluded that MATIC should be worth at least $3.39 in 2025. They forecasted a maximum price of $3.97 for that year. According to Polygon, MATIC should be worth at least $6.93 by 2025, with an average price of $7.18. The maximum price projected by the platform is $9.36. Now for 2030, this is where it gets exciting. Changelly believes that by 2030, MATIC will be trading between $22.74 and $27.07, with an average price of $23.36. And with a bull market, who knows where this thing could go? When I first heard about MATIC and looked into it, it was 4 cents. And it went up to like $3 this last bull run. So these prices are definitely within reach. I mean, a 20x from now, it will put you in the $20-some range, and that's what they're predicting for 2030. If we hit a bull run, and this isn't financial advice at all. I'm not a financial advisor, but I can see that definitely happen. This is a very realistic article. It says here, why are Polygon and Run Finance important for every portfolio? This is another article. It's on Analytics Insight, if you want to go there and read the whole thing. But it goes down here and it says what Polygon is, what it's doing. Experts believe that Polygon has a bright future in the crypto market, with some predicting the token's price could reach $1.50 by the end of 2023. Nothing but positive things out there about Polygon. They are definitely making some moves in this market. So the Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is at $1,225,000,000,000. We're up 2.26%. Volume is down 7.72% over 24 hours. It was up 70% yesterday. So I think a lot of buyers came in yesterday. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.69%, and we are at a 63 in greed in the market sentiment. Here's your biggest gainers and losers. You can see Conflux is up 17.69%. See your trending coins on the left. Bitcoin is number 2. And I've been going over this in a couple of the other videos I made today. The biggest reason I cover Bitcoin, and every time I do a altcoin video, is Bitcoin leads the market. It's kind of like the caboose. It was the first coin here, and what Bitcoin does, the whole market follows. If Bitcoin's pumping and moving, The rest of the market is doing the same thing, and that's how we get our alt seasons, which if you're not familiar with an alt season, it's like an altcoin bull run. Basically, you know, you have Bitcoin going in its bull run, and the altcoins have their turn somewhere there in the line. And if it wasn't for Bitcoin, none of these other cryptos would be here right now. So that's why I cover this thing. Bitcoin is massive to the market. It brings all the money in, and that, of course, that brings buyers into the altcoin market, and that's the coins we hold. So let's go over this MATIC chart. This is on the daily chart. Let's get down to the 4-hour. You can see the RSI down at the bottom is reset and just turning up. That's what we want to see on this thing. We want to see this RSI, especially in a 4-hour, reset down there. It's just turning up. I believe the 1 hour is resetting right now. It's at the top, and it is. It's just turning over. Of course, it can ride up there for a long time. It can curve down and then curve right back up. It does it all the time. But let's put it back on this 4-hour. You can see MATIC respecting this trend line we have here, and it's come back and retested it again here. Why the probably why that one cools off for a little bit, but you can see it's starting to make another move up here. Let's put a Fibonacci on this thing and see where we're at today. Pull it down here, and it looks like we came up and touched that 618. Okay, we got rejected off that twice now. We're coming up into we're gonna hit that again sometime today. We want to get through that 702 and that 786 to get to higher prices. If we get rejected off this 702 or 786, then we're looking for a correction down, possibly before we start our next leg up. But I totally expect it to get up here to the $1.30 area. In my opinion, it's not financial advice at all. Please don't take it like that. I do these charts for for the videos, but they'll also give you guys a insight of what I believe is happening in the market. I'm not a financial advisor. I've been doing this for about 4 years now. Love crypto, love doing the charts, and you're not right every time. Believe me, if you were, that it would be easy. It's not easy. You gotta know what to look for and what to watch for. I believe in these trend lines totally. Biggest reason is if you're following a trend line up, and if you ever break a trend, then something's changed. Okay, if it breaks that trend, you're probably coming down to lower prices, you know. So that's why I keep trend lines. I think they're massively important. This is where we got to break a trend. We got to break out, the retest, and then we're heading on our way up. So things are looking fine, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here every day. I'm just going to start putting this up at the end of my videos instead of boring you guys with the same old I'm not a financial advisor thing. You got to say that, you know. We get worried of getting sued out there. It's a shame. But I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you so much for giving me your time, guys. It means the world to me. So thank you so much. Have a fantastic day.